I wanna be that song that gets you high, makes you dance, makes you fall. That melody rewinds years once disappeared, makes time stall. I wanna be those words that fill you up, roll your windows down, it keeps you young, makes you believe you're right where you belong. I wanna be that song. Whoa, I wanna be that song. I wanna be. Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm teaching you Wanna Be That Song by Brett Eldredge. I don't think I've done a Brett Eldredge song yet, so I thought I would teach this one for you guys next. This is a really sweet love song, and I love Brett Eldredge, so let's get into it real quick. And for all of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. And for those of you who haven't, I'd ask you to, so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos. As long as you like this tutorial, and so you want to learn, if you want to learn to play more country songs on the guitar. So, all right, let's get into it. So this song is going to be, the strumming pattern is very easy. It's almost exactly the same the entire song, and you're going to use basically the same chord progressions the whole time. So the way that the song starts, the verses, you're going to use A. And then you're going to use A major 7. Okay, so the way you, I don't know if you don't know that one, it's very easy to transition from A to that. So that's how you do A, and then you're going to lift up. So you're going to move your ring finger onto the 2nd fret on the B string, and you're going to put your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the G string. Okay, and you're going to leave your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay. Okay, so that's how you do that one. So it goes A, and then A major 7, just like that, okay? And then you go F sharp minor, and that's, it's basically a power chord is the easy way to play it, but you should be barring the 2nd fret. If that's hard, just play it as a power chord, okay? So you're gonna do F sharp minor, okay, you hear that? And then after F sharp minor, you're gonna do D. Okay, and that's how you play the intro and the verses. So the intro is just you play through that once. It's and then you play the radio and a sundress make my world all a mess. Okay. Back corner of a cornfield, bottle tops and a true spin. Okay, so it's just, that's the strumming pattern, okay? So you can watch that. Down, down, so you do that like, you're gonna hit and you're gonna wait a second, a little bit, okay? So you're going down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're gonna play through. You're gonna play that chord progression in the verses and the intro, and you're gonna play the intro. You play through it once. So you go A major 7, F sharp minor, D. Then you start. Then you're going to play through that same chord progression twice while you're singing the verse, and then you go straight into the chorus, which is I wanna be that song. Okay, so you're going to start with A, and you do A. A is on song. Okay, and then you go A, and it's the same strumming pattern. And then you go E. Okay, so not E minor because that's a very common one, but you're going to go A. It's the same strumming pattern. Okay, E, and you're going to do F sharp minor, and then D. So the only real difference in the chord progression from the verse to the chorus is that in the verse you're going to do A and then A major 7 before you go to F sharp minor. This time in the chorus you're going A to E and then F sharp minor. Okay, that's the only difference there. So that's how you play that. So then you're going to go through the chorus and you're going to do the A. Wanna be that song that gets you high, makes you dance, makes you fall. That melody white tears once disappeared. See, that's D right there. Once disappeared, makes time stall. And then you're gonna play it again. Okay, so you're gonna play through the chord progression in the chorus 3 times. Okay, and then at the end, after you go, I wanna be, I wanna, you go back into the A. I wanna stand with you in the 3rd row. Oops, that's the wrong chord progression right there. Sorry, the chord. Window booth at a bar. Okay, and then you're gonna go into, and I don't know if you can see that. That's an easier way to play the chord, the strumming. If you want to, you can just kind of be like down, 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 down. You don't have to be alternating. I think it sounds better and stuff. And the difference you want to do is you want the song to be softer during the verses, but louder during the chorus. Okay, so when you're playing the verses, you're gonna be a little bit softer. Okay, but then when you're playing in the chorus, you're gonna be, I wanna be that song that gets you high, makes you dance, makes you fall, that melody. Okay, you're gonna be louder during the chorus. Okay, so then after the second chorus, you're gonna go into the bridge. Now the bridge chord progression is a little bit different. You're gonna start with F sharp minor. Okay, so you're gonna start with F sharp minor. When you're searching the horizon. So you go F sharp minor, D. Okay, and then you're gonna go A, then the same strumming, E. So it's F sharp minor, D, A, E. Okay, but not that fast. It's when you're searching the horizon, when your eyes look back, when you're standing in the moment, every life has a soundtrack. Okay, so that's it. You play it through the F sharp minor, D, A, E once, and then you go into the instrumental where he kind of like sings a little bit, but not really. He's just kind of like, I wanna be, like a little bit, and it's just it's the same as the chorus. It's just A, E, F sharp minor, and then D. Okay, and then you go back into the chorus, and the outro is the exact same as the chorus, and it's a very quick continuation. So at the end of the song, when it's at the end of the chorus, he goes, I wanna be that song when the highway's calling, when the bottle's dry, when the sky is falling and you're asking yourself why. Oh, okay, so then you play O, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A. As he goes, oh, I wanna be, yeah, oh. Okay, that's it. So that's the whole song. It's super, I don't want to say it's like super easy, because sometimes people have a hard time with like bar chords or something. If you just do a power chord, that'll make it easier. But it is a great song. It's not super difficult, and I love it. And it's another one to add to your repertoire. So it's a really great song to play at like campfires, and I don't know, if you got a special lady, you can play it for her too. So, but anyway, yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. More than happy to answer anything I can for you guys. And if you have any songs you'd like to request, please let me know in the comments. So anyway, thanks guys, it's been real. See you next time.